It's the small things, okay? This one is the bump eraser. I've been wanting to try this because I not only, what I'll have to do is put the prices on the screen for each of these products so that stuff that we bought like New Jersey and New York for me to unbox, and then I could use it. And then this is the other box. This is the Nabla Takeover box. It was okay. This is how it arrives. So you can see that they kind of, I haven't used it. I don't even know how this thing, oh, it's got a pump thing. Okay, it's like, I don't even know how this works. But this is a body illuminator. As you can see, it won't work for me because of the shade palette that these two liners would go with. And then you have like a lighter version of the camel brown. I'll show you the shade here in the mirror. Could be cream shadow sticks, I don't know, I'll have to look and see what they are. But these three products